the marvels of our heart's engine. Understanding the heart. Inside our bodies, an incredible machine works tirelessly without a break. This machine is the heart. It is not just a simple organ, it is a powerful pump. It drives blood through our bodies, giving us life and energy. Imagine running a marathon and feeling your heart beating fast. That is your heart working hard. But how does this amazing organ do its job each day? The heart structure. The heart has 4 main parts, often called chambers. These are the right atrium, the right ventricle, the left atrium, and the left ventricle. Each part has a special job. Blood flows in and out of these chambers in a precise order. In one direction, it brings oxygen-poor blood from the body. In the other direction, it sends oxygen-rich blood out to the body. How does it make sure blood goes the right way? Valves at work. To keep blood flowing the right way, the heart has valves. Think of these valves like gates. When blood flows in, the gates open. When blood tries to flow back the other way, the gates close. This way, the heart can control blood flow. There are 4 main valves in the heart. They work quietly but very effectively. Can you imagine what happens if they did not work? Blood flow cycle. The heart works in a cycle. First, oxygen-poor blood comes to the right atrium. From there, it moves into the right ventricle. The right ventricle then pumps this blood to the lungs. In the lungs, the blood picks up oxygen. After that, it returns to the left atrium, moves to the left ventricle, and finally goes out to the rest of the body. This process repeats every heartbeat. Isn't it amazing how it works? The heart's rhythm. The heart beats like a drummer, creating a rhythm. This rhythm is called the heartbeat. The average heart beats about 60 to 100 times a minute when resting. When we exercise, it can beat even faster. This rhythm is controlled by electrical signals that travel through the heart. Have you ever felt your heart racing? That is your heart responding to what you are doing. Surprising facts about the heart. Here is an interesting secret about the heart. It can continue to beat even when it is outside of the body. Scientists have discovered that heart cells can keep beating alone as long as they have energy. This is surprising because many people think the heart needs the body to work. It shows just how powerful and independent the heart can be. Taking care of our hearts. Taking care of our hearts is important. Eating healthy foods, exercising regularly, and avoiding too much stress help keep our hearts happy. When our hearts are healthy, we feel better and can do more. Did you know that people who exercise often have stronger, healthier hearts? Emotions and the heart. The heart is also connected to our feelings. We often say, "My heart is happy," or "My heart is heavy." This is because our emotions can affect our heart. When we feel love, excitement, or even sadness, our heart can respond. It can beat faster or slower, showing how we feel. Have you ever noticed how your heart feels when you are excited? The future of heart health. As science grows, doctors find new ways to help our hearts. They research new medicines and treatments to keep hearts healthy. There are even surgeries to fix the heart when something goes wrong. In the future, technology may help hearts work better. Isn't it exciting to think about what could come next in heart health? Understanding our heart is like discovering a treasure. This tiny organ works hard every day to keep us alive. By learning how it works, we can take better care of ourselves. Our heart is a true marvel that we often take for granted. As we end our exploration, reflect on your heart's journey today. What do you do to keep your heart healthy? Share your thoughts or experiences with Heart Care.